Building a Brighter Future, Why Wealth Matters. Written by Dave Ramsey from The Dave Ramsey Show. We all want a better future for ourselves and our families. Building wealth isn't about getting rich quick or living a life of luxury. It's about having financial security. It's about having options and choices. Whether you're in the United States or the United Kingdom, the principles of building wealth remain the same. It requires discipline, smart choices, and a long-term perspective. This guide will give you the tools you need to start building a brighter future. Safety net first, the emergency fund. An emergency fund is your first line of defense against life's unexpected events. Imagine your car breaks down or you have a sudden medical bill. These situations can derail your finances if you're not prepared. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account gives you peace of mind. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Start building your emergency fund today. Think of it like a financial safety net. It's there to catch you when life throws you a curveball. This money is not for vacations or new gadgets. It's for true emergencies. Saving for a rainy day, making your money work for you. Saving is about paying yourself first. Before you pay bills or buy groceries, put a portion of your income into a savings account. Even small amounts add up over time, especially with the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. It's the interest you earn on your interest. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Set realistic savings goals and automate your savings. Have money automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account each month. Conquering debt, the freedom formula. Debt is a heavy burden that keeps you from achieving financial freedom. Credit cards, student loans, and personal loans can quickly spiral out of control. The first step is to stop accumulating new debt. Then create a debt snowball plan. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Attack the smallest debt with intensity while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll that payment amount onto the next smallest debt. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. As you pay off each debt, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that propels you forward. Investing wisely is essential for building long-term wealth. It allows your money to grow at a rate higher than inflation. There are various investment options, each with its own risk and return profile. Start with low-cost index funds that track the performance of the overall market. As you become more comfortable, you can explore other options like individual stocks or bonds. Diversifying your investments is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Remember, investing involves risk. It's essential to do your research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Budgeting basics are all about taking control of your cash flow. It's the foundation of financial stability and growth. A budget is not about restricting your spending, it's about being intentional with your money. By planning your expenses, you can ensure that your money is being used in ways that align with your goals and values. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. This clarity helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. Track your income and expenses for a month to understand your spending habits. This exercise can reveal patterns and areas where you might be overspending. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money towards savings and investments. Small changes like reducing dining out or canceling unused subscriptions can add up over time. There are various budgeting methods such as the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a simple yet effective way to manage your finances. This method suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs include essentials like housing, utilities, and groceries. Wants are non-essential items like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Savings and debt repayment are crucial for building a secure financial future. Find a method that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's the 50-30-20 rule or another approach, consistency is key. Regularly review and adjust your budget as your financial situation and goals evolve. Taking control of your cash flow empowers you to achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Spending smartly, making every dollar count. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to be mindful of how we spend our hard-earned money. Every dollar saved can contribute to a more secure financial future. Smart spending goes hand in hand with budgeting. Creating a detailed budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means. It allows you to allocate funds for necessities, savings, and even some leisure activities without overspending. It's about getting the most value for your money. When you shop, compare prices and read reviews to ensure you're making informed decisions. Quality over quantity can often lead to better long-term savings. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you need it or just want it. This simple question can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters. Needs should always take precedence over wants. Consider cheaper alternatives and look for discounts and deals. Many times, generic or store brand products offer the same quality as name brands at a fraction of the cost. Coupons, sales, and loyalty programs can also provide significant savings. Avoid impulse purchases and give yourself time to think before making big spending decisions. Impulse buys can quickly add up and derail your budget. By waiting 24 hours before making a purchase, you can determine if it's truly necessary. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference over time. Consistently saving even small amounts can accumulate into a substantial sum. This practice can help you build an emergency fund or save for future goals. Brew your coffee at home instead of buying it every day. The cost of daily coffee shop visits can add up quickly. Investing in a good coffee maker and making your own coffee can save you hundreds of dollars annually. Pack your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out. Preparing meals at home is not only healthier but also more cost-effective. It allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, leading to better health and savings. These small adjustments can free up extra cash that you can save or invest. Over time, these savings can grow, providing you with financial security and the ability to invest in opportunities that can further enhance your financial well-being. Making every dollar count is about being intentional with your spending and prioritizing your financial goals. Across the pond, US and UK financial focus. While the US and UK share many financial principles, some key differences exist. The US has a more complex tax system with both federal and state taxes. The UK system is primarily based on national taxes. Retirement planning also differs. The US has 401k plans, while the UK offers personal pensions and workplace pensions. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Research and compare financial products and services in your respective country. For instance, explore ISA's individual savings accounts for tax-efficient savings in the UK and Roth IRAs for tax-advantaged retirement savings in the US. Retirement planning, securing your golden years. Retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks in the US or personal pensions in the UK. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and any matching contributions they offer. Remember, retirement planning is not just about saving money, it's about creating a future income stream. Explore different retirement income strategies, such as annuities or dividend-paying stocks, to ensure you have a comfortable retirement. Your wealth-building journey starts today. This is the moment you take control of your financial future and set the stage for long-term success. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Just like a marathon, it requires endurance, strategy, and a steady pace. You won't see results overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll reach your financial goals. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to making smart financial choices. Every decision you make, from budgeting to investing, plays a crucial role in your journey. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Whether it's saving for a home, retirement, or an emergency fund, having specific targets will guide your actions. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to track your progress more effectively. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. Recognize and reward yourself for reaching milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to build wealth. Educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Take advantage of the resources available to you, such as financial education websites, books, and seminars. These tools can provide valuable insights and strategies to enhance your financial literacy. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice from a financial advisor if needed. They can offer personalized guidance and help you navigate complex financial situations. The most important step is to start today. Procrastination can be your biggest enemy. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. The sooner you begin your wealth-building journey, the brighter your financial future will be. Embrace the journey with